breaking news. We got a sponsor. Quick disclaimer, they didn't ask me to say anything specific about the product. They didn't even ask me to do a review. But they did partner with me to create content and give you guys a discount if you do want to purchase one for your own. But more on that later. Let's focus on the shoot. I'm building a set. Okay. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna shoot 2 photos and 1 video of the product. And if you notice in the title, I will be only using household objects to help me in my shoot. So for the first shot, I want to highlight the sleekness of this wallet and the fact that it's black. And I'm thinking of using some powder and get a good shot of the wallet while there's powder all around it. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so here's the situation. For shot 1, I want the powder going up, filling out the frame. I have the wallet sitting on this stick, which I'll just edit in post. And I have this box, and this is loose. So when the powder goes here, I can push it from the bottom. But how do I push it? So I cut the box, put my hand inside, have powder here, then push it up, and then hopefully create that puff effect that I'm trying to go for. Trial 1. It needs more powder, so I'm gonna put more powder. I think I made kind of a mistake that I did that shot first because the wallet is kind of powdery. I'll clean it first before the second shot. But I'm very happy how the first shot turned out, so on to the second shot. For the second shot, I want to do something different because the first shot, there's really no human element to it. I want to showcase how the wallet will look like while being held or being used. So that means I'm now officially a hand model as well. So the plan is I'm gonna use different colors of cartolina. I'll poke a hole through it, then shoot my hand in it while holding the wallet. Maybe that will give a perspective on how small and compact this wallet is. My arm's tired. My arm's very tired. I think I did have some good shots. Stay tuned for the fully edited versions because I will post those on my Instagram. So follow me. Okay, so this is the last one. I will shoot a short commercial-like video for the wallet. My idea for the commercial is just be 10 to 15 second video, and it will just show the features and the details of the wallet. In general, just try to make it look a bit hype and cool. Let's see how it goes. I'm done with the shoot. I shot a lot. I have a good feeling that it'll turn out great, but you guys be the judge. If you guys want a wallet for your own, make sure to visit cullenwayne.com or click the link in the description below to get one. If you're wondering, this specific one is called the Senator. It's a card holder plus it has a leather jacket for like cash and IDs and whatever. But they also have different varieties, so check them out. Maybe there's one for you. And most importantly, don't forget to use my code. They gave me a code so you guys can get 15% off your purchase. The code is CW, as in Cullen Wayne, Chris, my name, J, you know what J is, and 15, which is the amount of discount that you will get. So again, the code is CW Chris J15. Again, huge thanks to Cullen Wayne for sending me this wallet, and I will most likely use it on a daily because it holds everything I need. The moment you've been waiting for, here's how the video turned out.